I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. Room unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day because today is a new week, today is a new day, and we're gonna get started with some new math stuff, okay? So today we're gonna be learning about why do I need to know about how to identify the symmetry in a figure, okay? So today is gonna be TEKS 4.6b, just in case you wanted to know, okay? Let's get started. Important pictures. Remember, if you see this little guy, pause the video and write down what is on the screen, okay? Make sure you put it in your journals. Objectives. Students will know how to identify the symmetry in a figure. Students will understand how to recognize two-dimensional figures. Students will be able to share in a group discussion how to identify and draw one or more lines of symmetry if they exist for a two-dimensional figure, okay? And then here it is in Spanish, just in case you need it. All right, essential questions. Remember, if you can answer this by the end of the lesson, then you understand it, okay? How do you find lines of symmetry? Okay. This is going to be our vocabulary for today. Congruent, lines of symmetry, symmetry, two-dimensional, and polygon, okay? Line of symmetry. A line that divides a figure into two congruent halves that have a mirror image of each other, okay? So for an example, here in the heart, okay, there's one line of symmetry because it's a mirror half. The triangle has 3 lines of symmetry here, here, and here. Okay, here down the half, it's a mirror. Here, it's a mirror of this, okay? Here, square has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry. Here, 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 a lot, so many, okay? That's what a line of symmetry means. Congruent, equal measures, length, size, or quantities. So this side is congruent to this side, and it's also congruent to this side. So these 3 sides are the same, okay? Basically, congruent means the same, okay? Symmetry, an object or shape that can be divided into 2 congruent pieces that fits perfectly on top of each other. So if I broke the circle in half and I folded it, it would fit nice and neatly. For an example, here's a sticky note. Okay, here's a sticky note, and if I were to fold this in half, it would fit nice and perfectly on top of each other. See that? Nice and neatly on top of each other. It's not like if I folded it and it's like this, right? No. If it's nice and neatly on top of each other. See? Two-dimensional. A figure that has only length and width. A square and a rectangle are examples of 2D figures. So this is anything that's flat, okay? So any shape that's flat, a piece of paper that's flat, okay? that is a two-dimensional figure. 3D, it's when it has volume, okay? So instead of it being a picture like this, it's a cube, right? Because that's 3D. It can hold stuff, okay? Polygon, a two-dimensional figure. All sides are straight and closed, no intersecting lines, and at least 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, so instead of calling shapes shapes, we now call them polygons because that's what they are, polygons. All right, let's go ahead and look at this video.
We're in line to ride the Ferris wheel, a circular shape made out of steel. Before we ride, we try to decide where a circle's lines of symmetry hide.
Lines to the center have symmetry, so each circle has infinity. Each line, upon further inspection, creates a perfect mirror reflection.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry.
All around us.
At the pirate ship, we wait our turn. This ride can make our stomachs churn. A line from the axle to the ground is one line of symmetry to be found.
Identical parts facing each other have symmetry with one another. Lines of symmetry evenly divide. Let's find symmetry on every ride.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry.
Symmetry.
Lines of symmetry. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We see the roller coaster's loop-de-loop has a line of symmetry between the hoop. A mirror reflection on each side is where the lines of symmetry hide.
Then we see a mirror and realize symmetry disguised right between our eyes. A line divides each side of our face. We see symmetry all over the place.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry everywhere. Lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry.
It's time for lunch and we've got a hunch that symmetry's in the food we'll munch. We look at a cracker, it's a square. We see 4 lines of symmetry there.
To the 4 corners, they were gone, leaving us with a cracker octagon. We looked a bit closer then to see the regular octagon's 8 lines of symmetry.
Everywhere we look,
Everywhere we look, we see
lines of symmetry. Everywhere lines of symmetry. Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Everywhere we look.
Visit Number Rock.
That was a good video. I really liked it. I think it was a really good video. It was a catchy song. Line symmetry. I think this is gonna be another good video because it's in the real world. Okay, so real world application. Things for real.
I need a job. I bought this really cool video game player and it just zapped my savings, so now I've got the player, but I don't have any money to buy games. Cake decorating. I can do that. I decorate my Christmas tree.
I always have a couple questions for new employees.
Sure.
What does it mean to decorate a cake symmetrically?
With a lot of roses.
Not exactly. Symmetry is balance in shape and size and position. If you can fold a cake in half, the pattern matches.
You can fold a cake in half?
cannot fold a cake in half. But if you have a red rose on one side, you have to put the same size red rose in the same place on the opposite side. Get it?
Got it.
So if you have a red rose next to a blue rose on one side, what will you have on the other?
A red rose next to a blue rose.
Balance, beauty, symmetry. Get it?
Symmetry. Got it.
Great! Now get to work.
First, I'll start with the ends and the sides.
Very good. Keep up the good work.
Perfect match.
Okay, you see how he folded the piece of paper that has the roses? See how they were perfect?
Let's draw a nice green line here. Symmetry? No symmetry. Symmetry. Wait a sec. The symmetry's off. The flowers are right, but the colors are off.
If he were to divide this in half, this side and this side are not matching. Why? Okay, let's check.
If there are two purple roses here, then there should be two purple roses there. I better fix this before the boss gets back.
So, how's it coming?
It's coming along great!
Wait a minute. Do you know you're missing two purple roses on the other side?
Whoa.
What? Speak up.
Yeah, I know.
Well, the customer's coming for this cake, so you better finish up. Perfect. The left side is a mirror image of the right. You have a future in this business. Now bring it up front.
Those were amazing videos to watch. Let me give you your notes for today. Oops. Wrong way. There we go. Let me give you your notes for today. If this can work. Okay. Here are your notes for today. Make sure you have this down in your notebook. And then tomorrow we're going to have some more notes, okay? I will see you tomorrow for our part 2 lesson of lines of symmetry. Bye.